got a couple videos of sockeye fishing. My cousin Nuke Bushner, he's a country singer. He's on there catfish. I gave him like a 7-minute challenge to catch catfish. He catches like a minute and a half. This guy named Crappie Kirby, he's on there with a little quick little clip. But
that you?
Yep. I forgot his morale. I got so much footage I gotta edit in the last 2 weeks.
Today on the Honey Hole Hunters, Mary's Liz.
Awesome, man.
Resurrection
I have to hit you up more often.
Fuck,
Come fishing with you.
I'll fish everywhere, man.
I thought he was just crappie fishing.
Woo! 45, my guess. 45.8. 45.8, my guess.
You're my new best friend.
Hey, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
I think it was meant to be me staying here last night fishing.
I told you right on those.
I'm about half that size.
I told you right on those that catwalk. I bounced.
Said,
bam, bam.
I didn't have enough line on earlier. My other reel does. I got to switch them out. That's all I got to do.
Oh, yeah.
Fuck yeah.